Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review a gym bag. So this is a gym bag that I purchased from Amazon, guys, and it is from a company called Gear. And this is a polyester bag, guys, made out of polyester material, and it's a gym bag which is here from the brand Gear. So guys, starting off with the price of this product, the MRP of this product is rupees 1299. That is 1299, but on Amazon during the Great Indian Festival I got this bag for only rupees 417. So a really huge discount, 60% plus discount on this product, and I think it's an amazing deal that I got for it. So let's start off with the review of this product. So just unboxed it from out of the packet that it came from, the packaging that it came in, and overall from the first look of it, it looks like a very high quality bag, very good one here. Here's the Gear branding tag right here, the Gear tag right here. They are given their social media QR codes here, which you can scan and follow them on Instagram and on Facebook. So on Instagram the handle is gear.bags, and on Facebook it is Gear merchandise. And you can click a picture with your Gear bag, tag it on Facebook or Instagram, and you can get featured on their page as well, which is quite good. Here are the features of the bag. It has an ergonomic fit, it has heavy duty zippers and pullers, it is a waterproof bag, very important, it's a waterproof bag, and water repellent fabric. Bar tag load points, so bar tag load points are there. Wide axis compartment is there in this, and the anti-sweat and cushion padding for shoulder and back support. So those are all the features of this bag which I mentioned here. So first of all, let's look at this bag. So this is the size of the bag. It's a 26 liter bag right here. So you can see this bag. This is how it looks, guys. So you open it up, this is how it looks. So here's a handle to carry it in your hand. Also there's a shoulder strap along with it. So you open this up, and here's a shoulder strap to carry it on your shoulder, so you can carry it on your shoulder like this as well. So that is as well provided right here. Now coming to the zipper, yes, the zippers look of high quality material right here. The zippers are really good, high quality zippers used here with a very smooth open and close thing right here. So the zipper quality is good. You get dual sided zippers, so you can open and close from both sides. So you get two zippers on top. Then there are compartments. In compartments you have two compartments, two zipper compartments on the side. So there's one on this side, so right here there's one on this side and the other one on the other side. So there are two zipper compartments as well on the side to keep the smaller stuff. So you can keep your gym gloves here, deo, whatever you want to carry to the gym, you can keep it in these side pockets. Also you get one external netted pocket as well with it. So right here it has elastic on top so that it can stretch. So a small external netted pocket right here for you to see. On the front part of the bag, you have the Gear branding. Right here is the Gear branding, you can see that, and here it says Cross Training Pro 19 series. That's the code number for the bag. So yeah, those are the pockets available. So in total there are 3 compartments available in this bag, and quite a big bag. You can keep your shoes in it, you can keep your towel in it, and other materials that you want to carry to the gym along with you, you can put them in this bag. So quite spacious as well, even for a gym bag. And there's another smaller pocket right in front as well. So you can see here as well, there's another zipper pocket which you can open up to keep your cell phone or something that you want to carry along with you. You can keep it in the smaller pocket right here. So multiple pockets in total. I think there are 4 pockets, 4 zipper pockets available, 1 netted pocket at the side as well, which makes it 5 storage points to it. And the lower side is padded as well, so it has a padded lower end of the bag, so that your material don't get like impacted by any impact as well. So there's a padding at the bottom of this as well. So yeah, overall build quality of the bag looks damn good. It's quite neat and good. Colors available, multiple colors are available. You can choose for that on Amazon. So guys, overall I really like the quality of the bag and the zippers that are used in it, and the overall fabric of the bag is very nice. So yeah, overall I would rate it a 5 on 5 for this bag, for the price that I got it for and the material and the quality that I've got from this bag. So guys, if you all are looking to buy the Gear Gym Bag, it's available on Amazon. You can check it out from the link in the description below. You can check it out from there. And guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.